friends, welcome to my channel. Here I am going to explain about SolidWorks. Just double click on SolidWorks software icon to open the software. The window gets opened. It is the logo of SolidWorks software. What is SolidWorks? It is a 2D 3D modeling software like CAD and CAE. It is developed by Dassault Systems in the year 1995. Here I am using 2015 version. It is a menu bar. If you move the cursor here, you can find options. File, View, Tools, Help, and in the right side you can find search box, and here you can find the help related to SolidWorks. If you want to find any queries in online, you can search here. It is minimize, it is maximize, and it is close the window. First option, file. In this you can find two options, new, open. New, if you want to open a new part or workspace, you can click on this. Open, if you want to open already saved files, you can open from here. Exit, if you want to exit from the software, you can use this option, or you can directly exit from here by closing this. Next option is view. In this toolbars, here you can find number of tools related to software like 2D to 3D, align, curves, assembly, screen capture, sketch, table, etc. If you want more options, you can simply click on this drop down button. Next option is full screen. If you want to view this window in full screen, you can click on this. Next one, toolbars. If you want to disappear these toolbars from the screen, you can click on this. Task pane. If you want to disappear the task pane from the window, you can click on this task pane. The task pane will get disappear. If you click on this, the task pane will appear in the right side. Next option is motion manager. Status bar. What is status bar? Here in the down you can find this line. It is status bar. If you click on this, if you unclick this status bar, this will get disappear. If you want this, you can select this one. The status bar will get appear. Next option is tools. These tools are related to software. If you want, you can search here the options. Next, help. If you want any help related to software like details and search any help, tutorials, or activate licenses, transfer license, check for updates, you can view in this. So I'm opening one new window. Here one pop-up dialog box will appear. Here three options will be there. First one is part, next one is assembly, next one is drawing. Part, if you want to, it is a 3D representation of a single design component. One part is a component. If you want to assemble the components, you can assemble here. Drawing, it is an engineering drawing. If you want to draw to make a part, so you can draw here. So first I will explain about part. Select part and click on OK. The workspace will appear. It is workspace. It is menu bar, and these are toolbars, and it is a display pane, and it is a tree area. sketch. The first option is sketch. If you want to create a part or an element, first you have to create a sketch. It may be line, circle, spline, polygon, etc. Next, features. Features means converting 2D to 3D. Evaluate. Evaluate means detailing. Coming to tree area. Except these all, I will explain only front plane, top plane, right plane and origin. Front plane means this is the top view. Here you can find in the right side. Top plane means it is the top view. Here you can find here. The right plane means the right view. Origin means a center point for object. Thank you for watching the video. In the next video, I will explain about the sketch module.